Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be taking you through my nighttime skincare routine, and I also have an unboxing because I ordered from the S10e company. Some of it is going to be part of my nighttime skincare, which I'm going to introduce today. Let's get it popping. They really take care of these boxes, don't they? And make sure nothing gets in there. Ah! Yes, I got it! The one I was like most looking forward to having. It's a face wash. Did this right? This one, everything was on sale when I bought it. I forgot how much this was, but I'll link it down below. Clean surface, purifies pores, removes makeup. I mean, this is a perfect wash, and hydrates, which is most important. So it comes with this. The ingredients were amazing to me, so that's why I ordered it. It only lasts for 6 months. I ordered some mandelic acid because I have sensitive skin, and mandelic is better for sensitive skin in order to take away some of the hyperpigmentation that I'm experiencing over here. My hyperpigmentation was lightening with just the combination of niacinamide and vitamin A. So I think these two will be better because I don't know, I don't like vitamin A. And hyaluronic. I'll link down below the dermatologist on YouTube that I got this idea from mandelic. Yeah, I'm gonna be using all of this for my nighttime skincare. Now, I may be using the niacinamide in the morning. For me, the idea is to get the products that I have to pay the least for that work the best. That's why I'm using a lot of ordinary products. And I know that for me, niacinamide works really well. I've never tried mandelic acid. I've tried vitamin A, but as I told you, I don't plan on sticking with vitamin A unless it's like a little less potent, like the one I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you my current products. So I have my products that I currently use right here. I would first go in with rose water to remove any excess dirt that was on my face. I would just squirt my face with this, clean it with a cotton ball. Then I would go in with niacinamide. Actually, not niacinamide, this first, aloe vera, because this is new-ish. More moisture, because most of my products are moisturizers. Then niacinamide, and then I would go in with this, which also has vitamin A. It's a Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Cream. Because it says it has vitamin A. What I can say about this is that it's not very moisturizing. Like, because it has the vitamin A, I think it's not as potent. It's not a potent moisturizer. But I still like it because it has the little bit of vitamin A, which is good for my hyperpigmentation. So that's why I'm changing this. Alright. So that's why I'm changing this. And then lastly, and this works really well. I love these products, by the way. I love the PURITO products. I use one in the morning. This is the night cream. This is not, it's not called the night cream. It's the water cream. And it has already 2% niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It has like everything you need in one thing. So yeah, I love this. I love this cream now. But this is my favorite thing right now. My fave. It just keeps its moisture. It actually moisturizes. And sometimes I would go in with oil just to lock it all in. And that is it. Now I'm gonna go do the routine.
I'm starting off with a new cleanser. I have mixed feelings about this one. It's really moisturizing, which I like, but I don't like the mess that it makes. I mean, I'm not used to oil-based cleansers, so this one I use sometimes, but not all the time. Probably not the best idea to wipe my face this way, but I do it. I decided to use the niacinamide this time because I hadn't used it in a while because I ran out. I like it because it really does minimize my pores and prevents me from having more breakouts. And this is the hyaluronic acid. I pronounced that roughly. But anyway, I use this just before I put any like harsh chemicals on my face, just to make them less harsh because I have sensitive skin. After a month of use, I haven't seen any difference in the hyperpigmentation using Untitled Acid. I think it will take a little longer for anything to happen, but I think I noticed a change with using vitamin A before, so it just takes a long time. So I'm considering other options for treating hyperpigmentation. I don't know how many times I mentioned it, but I love the PURITO water cream. I heard that the 50 FPF though wasn't good. I mean, it wasn't 50, so I stopped using it. But I love this product, and so far so good.
This is it, guys. I am done with my skincare. Was that easy or what? No, it wasn't. For some people it will be. For some people it won't be. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. Ring the notification bell so you can know when I post a video. Subscribe. Right here or right here. Subscribe. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, and if you don't want to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.